the more I'm committing to it, to the craft, and a lot of high-level creatives will agree with this, the act of developing your craft and nurturing the constellation of all of your unique interests, so whatever they may be, stoicism, entrepreneurship, but then more specifically like little hobbies and interests, like learn those in more detail than most people, all of them, and you'll be surprised how that unique constellation to you will make you insanely valuable and insanely irreplaceable. And most people don't realize that. Like everyone in a certain kind of job will have the same skill set, and it's just cog in the machine. But like, and this is my current belief, we'll see where it gets me, but I really feel that nurturing all those specific interests and being able to do them all well, so for me, videography, photography, graphic design, your website, storytelling, like all of these things, and they're slowly coming together in a way that I can't keep track of, but I can still sense and see the progression is happening, and it's making me more valuable. I'm talking to clients now for websites and talking about numbers that are higher than they ever would have been a year ago, and it's just because I've developed my skill set. Sales as a skill set, persuasion, all of these things. And so I wouldn't do it any other way. I'm so happy. I'm so happy because I know this is what I want to do. I know that I want to know a lot about a lot of things. I know I want to be good. The whole philosophy of choosing your one thing that you're good at, I can't do that. I have so many things I'm interested in. And even if I can't do all of them amazingly, I still know enough about them to know if someone else is doing a good job, or to be able to manage it, or anything. But so that's currently my state, and that my chasing my dream, that's what's happening.